let's look at example 4 for rotations. In this example, we're given all the values for our domain and our range in the table, and we just need to figure out the rest of it. So let's just start by graphing these points and taking a look, because I think that would be the easiest way to figure out what's going on if you can't already determine. So negative 2, 4, I'm going to call this A, B, and C like we normally do. So A is at negative 2, 4. So I'm going to plot point A. B is at negative 4, 2. And C is at negative 1, 1. So I have that triangle ABC. And let me graph my image. So I'm going to label like I normally do. A prime, B prime, C prime. So we have 2, negative 4 is my A prime. B prime is at 4, negative 2. And then C prime is at 1, negative 1. So let me connect my sides. And now I can take a look and I can see that it appears that triangle ABC rotated 180 degrees, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Remember, you end up with the same points either way. So what happened was my x and my y should just change to negative x, negative y. But let's just double check like we normally do. So negative, negative 2 does give us a value of 2. And then negative 4 does equal negative 4 that was given. And then negative, negative 4 is 4. And negative 2 is negative 2. And then negative, negative 1 gave us positive 1. And negative 1 gave us negative 1. So that does make sense with our table, and it definitely makes sense with our graph. So we just need to finish up writing the algebraic rule and then the verbal description. So our algebraic rule would be that for all the points in our pre-image, x and y, that rotated 180 degrees, which just changes the sign of the x and the y. Alright, so let's just write out that we were given triangle ABC with A at negative 2, 4, B at negative 4, 2, and C at negative 1, 1. And we rotated, so let's say rotate triangle ABC 180 degrees about the origin. It's good to state about which point you're rotating, which is normally for us going to be the origin, but not necessarily always for rotations. Okay, so in this example, we went from our table to our graph. From our graph, we were able to determine that algebraic rule because we could see that it rotated 180 degrees. And then using all of the above, we were able to write out our verbal description. It's good to be able to use any one of those parts to figure out the rest. And that's it for example 4.